Yes guys, we are back again, Raoul TV back at you again, and what we're going to do is, we can see me properly now, yeah, what you're going to do is, we're going to change the front headlight bulbs on a Ford C-Max. I think that's what it is, Ford C-Max on a 2011 plate. Let's go, let's do this. Right, headlight bulb, yep, replacement. These are not the easiest ones in the world, but they're not that hard, just a few little things to take off, and hopefully we can gain access to it. The headlight bulb is in there. The headlight bulb is in there, but we can't take this cover off and we can't get our hands in there. There's more things in the way. So what we're going to do is, dead easy, we're going to take this little screw off, the Torx. I think it's the Torx 30 or 25. Another one here. If you're looking at it straight at it like that, another one there, that silver one there, with my fingers pointing at it, that one there. And hopefully, that should be it. This should just push forward the headlight. Okay guys, as you can see, I've took this bolt off. Yeah, took that bolt off here as well, which is down here, yeah. This panel here, just to give us a little bit more, I would say a centimetre or a few millimetres, I've took that, there's a little 10 milli there, right there with my fingers, yeah. I've took that off, just give us a little bit more. So what we need to do, I'm talking millimetres here, we have to take this side off first, just pull it so it comes off here. I've already took it off, so basically that part will be under the arch here, yeah, wing basically. So just, it's millimetres basically. Take it off, and then what we're going to do is, after we take that off, obviously headlight still won't come out, so we need to go backwards towards the back of the car. When we go towards the back of the car, the headlight, there we go, Phil, is that right, mate? Yeah, swivels and it comes off, and that's it. We can now gain access to the bulb and everything, replace the headlight bulb. Okay guys, there it is, the headlight is totally off. Right, I would take it totally off. It's just that one little plug there, which goes on the bottom here. If you want to, you can leave that plug on if you can't take the plug off, and just, you know, you can still change the bulb and everything. But I would say for the sake of that one little plug, just take it off. That way you can flip the headlight round on its back, on its front, or whatever you want to call it. Get to the back, take this clip off. That's off there. As you can see, there is the headlight. No fancy clips or nothing on it. All we do is we take the, if Phil holds the headlight, I'm trying to film and do it at the same time. Take the wiring plug off. This one, all we do is pull. That's it. Happy days. Headlight off, bulb off. Get the new one. Make sure the pointer, as you can see the pointer there, the little cutout for the pointer on top there, lines up, and dead easy. There we have it. There's the new bulbs, the H7 bulbs on this C-Max. It's the H7. Most modern cars now, they use the H7 bulbs anyway. So yeah, that's what you need, the H7 bulb. If you're going to go out and buy a bulb, make sure it's the H7. Make sure it's a good make as well, like a Ring, like a Osram, like a Philips, you know, like a Lucas, something like that. You don't go fitting a bulb from the pound shop or something like that. You know, you can buy a bulb for £1 from the pound shop if you want it to last for one day. Buy it from the pound shop. This one, obviously Ring, is not the best make in the world, but it's not the worst as well. It's decent. So yeah, I'll just go ahead, fit one of them on. So anyway, dead easy. What we do is take it out of the packaging. There it is. There's a new one. The thing is, as you can see there, I'm holding it on the pins. That's what you need, where you need to hold them. Do not hold it on the glass. Like I say, it will work by holding it on the glass and fitting it by holding the glass. It will work, but it's not going to last as long as, you know, they should basically. So anyway, Phil's going to hold a headlight for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try line it up. There you go, bang, straight on, no messing. Put the wiring plug back on. Happy days. All you do is just fit it in reverse order. Another good idea I would say is, before you go refitting the headlight and everything, and you know, screwing everything back together, bolting everything back together, it's a good idea just to try it, see if the bulb's working, because I know it's a brand new bulb, but you do get the odd faulty bulb and everything every now and then. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to check it. The headlight is all working, everything. If you want to at the same time change the side light bulb, the position light bulb, change that. Change the flash as well, the fog light. Change all of them. Since you took everything off, you might as well change them all for the sake of £5 or whatever, you know, couple of quid. Change all of them, that way you're done. Right, so that's it. Anyway guys, hopefully that's going to help you out. There's Phil there in the background, my man Phil, yeah, the dynamic duo. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you are attempting to replace the headlight bulb on the Ford C-Max, not a hard job. It's just you have to be a little bit patient. You don't go get frustrated, can't take the headlight off and everything. The way I showed you, it is only millimeters we're talking about, and you just have to force it a little bit. Headlight comes off, happy days, no problem. If this video has been a help to you guys, give me a thumbs up, and all I can say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, hit that notification button for me, and I will see you guys soon.